Today we're all about women. We're celebrating the woman out there. So it's an all-female show. Welcome to the show. My name is Wikali and we have an amazing show lined up for you from catch-up all the way to Talentscape. Ladies all throughout the show. And of course we're going to start with catch-up with my amazing panelists. And of course our guest. Welcome to the show, Aisha.
Thank
I see
you.
you. Yeah, just go ahead. Just go ahead.
I'm about to give you the Beyonce formation ponytail. So I'm going to do this.
That's
they have
that
and
looks
brand.
really good.
No, look at refuse though. Killing my swag. Hi, Kate. How are you?
Karibu kwenye show, Kate.
This is Cate Rira. She hosts the show 1FM.
Great, and we are all ready. Look, everybody has. Where's
we have a bit of everything. Why do we have an empty seat though?
Shaniqua?
Akwapi?
Shaniqua. Oh, okay. Oh, she has red somewhere. What's going on? Why are you angry?
Let me tell you something. I came here the other day. I told you I'm running for women representative.
With your SOS party.
With my own party, SOS. Where chana mimi by the Juko na mosudo ndefu sana. Let me tell you.
This is jealous.
Then there's a lady who came to my party. She told me she also want to stand for women representative with my ticket. With a ticket from SOS. Okay. I gave her a chance. We went for nomination. Alafu ananishinda in my own party. In my own party.
Chapwa nyumbani.
Yes.
Na mbona basi lakini umeshikilia microphone.
Sasa mimi politician. I want to make a speech.
Sawa mheshimiwa.
Before tuendelee. Utaniruhusu.
Sawa mheshimiwa.
Niangalie hapa Haya.
Hiyo si ni nani?
Ni ya baba.
Let
me say something.
Yes.
You all know Kenyans, I'm standing for women representative.
Standing.
I'm Nasimama. I want to put this categorically that I'm going to be making my press conference on Thursday next week. Only on KTN. 7:30 usiku. Make a date with me.
We come at night.
Msikuje mtaona kwa KTN sasa itakuwa ina air Thursday saa 1:30. I'll make my
So you needed all those microphones to say that.
Mimi politicians tunafanyanga hivi na when you go to Rome you behave like Rome words.
Rome words. Wait. So you're going to pre-record the speech?
I don't understand. Is it going to be a bit
live?
Too late?
And is it not supposed to be live?
No, tunaenda headquarters.
Iko wapi?
Tunaenda headquarters. Ziko nini?
Instagram story.
River Road. Tuko River Road? But the thing is,
si huko nini kule kwenye
nilitoa nikaleta tao. Lazima ikuwe tao CBD.
Okay.
So nilieka River Road hapo Kirinyaga Road hapo hivyo chini. So I'll be there. Tutaenda tupeleke our nini?
Okay, fine. You know what? We're giving you too much airtime when you have a guest over here. Look at you.
Representative. So let me do this. As always, I'm the one who puts this across. I'm the best person to do this. And that's why I've been given this privilege to do this. Let me put my political life, just keep shushu when I'm talking, I call her Rira, all right? Yeah, that's how we call each other, so yeah.
So what does she call you?
Shani or Shans.
Shans.
Or Shanzu. So, this woman, she's the voice of radio. She's a woman you want to listen to anytime you put on your radio, all right? Professionally, she's a lawyer. Imagine being a lawyer then going to radio. Don't you think that's a very big sacrifice? Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, on you, on me too. So this is it. She's now a motivation speaker. So like she speaks to you, you change your career or you make your career better or you move from your bad ways to your new ways, like to bad ways to good ways. Ladies and gentlemen, right about now in this station, in this show, there's no other show that brings, she has never been in any other show apart from her own show on radio, 1FM, yeah? Drive show, yeah?
Yes, yeah.
Drive show.
Yes.
Kumadake, sorry, kutoka saa 9.
3 p.m. to 7.
Yes.
We are live.
We are live.
Yes.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you. I love the fact that I'm hanging out with the ladies today.
Yeah. Most importantly, you are sitting next to a mheshimiwa.
Hey. Hiyo chama ya
Piga
SOS.
saluti.
Niko na Prado mbili already.
Chama ya SOS ilikuwa umetutumia kamemo tuvae red leo.
Yes, you have to follow my instructions.
And you look lovely, Shaniqua, today.
Oh, really?
So ungeshinda kungeenda aje?
I know. Akasichana akano mali kanaenda. She know I'm the boss.
Welcome, Kate, to the show.
Thank you so much.
We were making fun with you before we went live about you actually have a face for TV.
For TV, I know. And Most people are beautiful in Kenya, but there's so many pretty girls in Kenya. And I have to say, I'm really glad to be here. I want to see what we're going to be doing today. But I have to say, even you guys are scaring me. You're saying I'm good for radio, but your voice is very scary.
Oh, come on,
don't get it twisted. Because you're doing a good job. Just Wikali. Yes. Especially because looking at us. Look at Shanika's face. She's like,
why
no.
is shade being thrown this side?
I'm sorry.
Do you know I've worked on radio for 10 years?
Which one?
When
you were...
In radio.
In 10 years.
Not in 10 years. I've worked in radio for 10 years. Don't get me twisted.
So how does it feel for you, Cate, being here right now and considering you're just used to a blind audience?
It's exciting. You know, most of the times no one ever sees you. It's just hearing and hearing. Yeah. Now people get to see another side of you, which I really, really appreciate. But I have to say it's exciting and scary at the same time. I'm looking at the cameraman. I'm just like, this side? This side?
Do you ever show up at work without makeup and just wearing your PJs?
Oh my God.
Because nobody's seeing you.
That is the beauty of, you know, being in radio. I remember when I was starting out and I was with my mom. When I was leaving, she asked me, why are you so dressed like fwa? I'm like, Mom, no one sees me. I just walk around like that. I would do it naked, but then, you know.
Oh, okay.
You know, we're in Kenya. We can't do that. But, yeah.
All right.
No, but when it comes to branding,
yes.
So you don't want to walk around in PJs in as much as you have a radio show.
Yes.
So be like, udema nakuanga mechapa by the way. Parambilating in town. You know?
You had to
like, I had to drop a techno word.
My country people.
You're my country people.
Oh, you will tell you what it's about. So like now it has to get to that where now you have to take care of yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna get to know more about Cate, but right now this segment is called the catch up. So it's all about the juicy vibes. That's why I call myself the soul scream because I have the soul entertainment news. So we start with Brian Chrea. Were you making moves?
But they Brian, let me tell you, Brian.
Elani.
When they came here, I'm the one who surprised Brian. You remember?
With the birthday cake.
Birthday.
We all did, but it's okay.
Even your this show.
Yeah. When you're out in the restaurants eating, I want to join you then.
So you know me, I thought. I've had like a soft spot, you know.
Now let me break your heart a bit. So Brian Chrea finally has revealed the identity of the son called Jamari with a long-time girlfriend Duta. So it's like, oh my God, I can't, like, how do you get to love such a small human person like this? Yeah. I can't really believe it. Like fatherhood, like this is really my calling. Like I want to be a role model to all these deadbeat dads out here. Yeah. So it's really, really amazing. So for you, Cate, like, would you? Because it took a year for him to finally show to reveal.
I saw the photo and I'm like, this baby's a little bit old. Yeah, it's a baby, but it's been a while.
Yeah, for you, like, how long will it take before you take it to social media to parade your child?
You have a baby, Cate?
No. I don't have a family yet, but I'm a very private person. Okay. I would not show my child unless it's commercial. Like if it profits them to be commercially there. I believe in privacy. I don't know why, because already you're on radio, you're on TV. Like everyone can see you and know about your life. Yeah. That's just a small thing. I want to keep it to myself, please.
I also believe.
I want to keep it to myself.
Sorry, I also believe in privacy.
Yes.
But I can't help it.
You just want to put it out there.
It has to be out there. Sorry, people know I'm here.
Yeah.
The moment this show ends, people will know where I'm going next.
Okay. But then there's a problem with that because remember, Mikali, then this is what led to the Kim Kardashian robbery.
Yes.
When you keep on updating your status and saying where you are, then there's a problem. Just the same way as Floyd Mayweather. Yeah, he got robbed.
And let me ask you, ladies, how would you feel if your kid went to school and they're like, oh, your mom is Mikali, haha, they throw back jokes. Because you're used to it. You have a tough skin. You've even been in the world longer because of age. So you can deal with it. How will this child deal with? Imagine Beyonce's kids or whatever. They'd probably diss, oh, you look like your dad, you look like who, you look like who.
Yeah.
And how would that child feel?
Probably getting homeschooling. I'm sorry.
Because you can afford it.
But I love it personally.
Right?
Yeah, I always wish I was born nilizaliwa na celebrity.
Shaniko anatuambianga yeye she was meant to live in the States.
I regret why I was born in Kenya.
Okay, now we need to proceed to the point. So tell us what you feel like about social media, privacy or not to parade your stuff on social media? Remember to follow with us on the conversation with us on our social media platforms, Twitter and Instagram, same handle, KTN_Life_Style, Facebook, KTN_Life_Style, and our SMS number is 22840. And the hashtag to use is KTN_Life_Style. Now, moving on, Nick Odhiambo finally left Classic FM.
Professor Bamba.
10 years, yeah, Professor Bamba. 10 years later, my goodness. And so rumors, ukuku, but it's not yet confirmed he's leaving. If he's leaving for a different radio station or probably a different career, because he still he acts
But
as
that's
well.
huge. I mean, 10 years.
10 years
Let me surprise
later,
you.
what would you do?
The guy was fired.
Oh, yeah?
No.
You know.
Yes.
You know
I knew you mtakata. But I'm telling
So
you,
why was he fired?
I'm giving you a rumor.
Okay.
Yes. This guy, he was fired. What he did, he went to the radio station early in the morning.
Yeah.
Na alikuwa nafaa kuingia saa 8.
No.
Oh.
No, I don't.
Oh
I
my
think 10
God,
years
Gata
he's
Press,
done a good job,
you are
though.
fake news. Let me tell you, like Donald Trump, you are
Fake
Shanika's
news.
I am Gata.
You are fake news.
You're Gata.
Anyway,
Call
we
me
wish you
Gata.
all the best in case you were changing careers, right?
Yeah.
Like all the best. That means like 10 years later, that's the next
But he
level
got
in
a lot
your
of things
life.
from that
But why are
radio.
people, why are
He
people
got
leaving
so many-
radio?
See, just trying out
But
new
you
things.
know, 10 years is a pretty long time. I wouldn't.
Like, I was a fan. I still am a fan of Nick. He knows how to pull characters. He's amazing.
True. He's
But
very
there's
amazing.
one thing, and Kali can tell you because she's done it. You've done it as well.
done radio as
There's
well.
a lot
Me?
of comfortability.
Yeah,
Yes, in
yeah.
your 10 years. But there's a lot of comfortability with radio. And you get to love it. And the audience, when you're 3 wanna skiza. It's really, really fun. So I think he wants
And the
to
radio
change.
audience, they're so active, you know.
Yeah.
You say,
And
I want.
loyal. Like, they're always like,
Always
there.
there.
no, even by voices, they'll call you and they'll be like, Shariko. You even know them.
Yeah. And people from Eldoret, actually, if you say like, nani anataka kushikanisha na mtu, nani anataka bwana, Eldoret will be the first.
Yes.
I don't know why.
Watu wanakimbilia.
Nasemeko ache. Nilikuwa natafuta babla. Akuche.
Anyway, away from that, we wish you all the best in the next level in your career, Nico Dembo. So, yeah, moving on. After blood, sweat, and tears, Jaguar finally was given the certificate for Stereo Ward MP.
That is what's going to happen to me.
Sasa unataka kuria. But anyway, they gave him his certificate and
They don't make jokes. No, you people, stop
I'm
laughing.
actually-
No. No, by the way, no. On a
That's what
serious
happened
note,
to you
no,
with
it's
your
not-
party.
Actually, because you people, you don't know the struggle behind someone vying for a seat. You people are just laughing here because Monanga took a TV.
There's so many people who cry without, like getting something out of it. At least he got something.
something out of it.
So
Yeah.
they're not crocodile tears.
They're not.
They're not.
Why
Those
did
are
you
genuine.
cry
I
when
think
you're
they were
vying for
genuine.
For your seat.
I cried. You'll see it on TV. Let me tell you. Let me
That's
tell you.
it now.
Let me tell you. Me, I was there the final day when Jaguar was going to the
Jubilee.
nomination, the day of nominations.
Yeah.
The previous night, we can call Jaguar, he can confirm.
Oh, wait.
I was with him in
I thought he
town.
dumped you a few years ago.
No, we catch up. Come on.
Okay, fine.
And Jaguar was so stressed,
Yeah. Okay.
and people were all over him. People were giving him hopes, and he was so ready to put all his energy. Then all of a sudden, the next day, you realize this guy has been defeated.
I know. But let me ask you guys one quick question.
Yeah.
Do you feel it's legit for all these people? Because we've seen Frasha has gone there, KJ. So many guys are really even Kajaro released
Yes.
told me that he had vied for Embakasi seat a while
back, yes.
What do you think about this move? Yani from music, you just decide this is what you're
be-
gonna do.
You know, one thing is for sure, they deal with people.
Yes.
Whatever they do, they deal with people. So they understand people more than most of us do.
Yeah.
And you look at Frasha. Frasha, that's his hood. He's grown up there.
Yeah.
So he understands the problems of that particular place.
Okay.
But now, wewe utoke kwa kwenyu. Ati SOS yako ulikuwa unaenda kusema wapi?
Lakini, mimi, I have a question in
Siakango.
regards to just what you said because they're already used to dealing with people.
Yeah.
But are your fans your voters?
No.
You know? Because
There's
your fans are
something-
from all over.
Yeah,
not from
all
that
over,
country
yeah.
itself.
There's something there's something that artists don't know. You know, kumaanisha unajulikana as a mwimbaji, as an actor, does not mean unasimama for a certain seat.
Yes.
You have,
What
you need
what
to have
matters
that
is what
political
you're selling. What are you bringing to the table?
manifesto.
What different thing are you bringing to the table? So that's
Yeah.
that's something that
Anyway,
they all
all the
look at.
best to him.
Yeah.
But
We are
Jogo is
going
a
to wait
politician.
for our guest because sababu, hiyo kiti ya starehe, it has some
ina
serious
wengi.
people.
Yes, it has.
Away from that, it's a celebration. celebration of love. Sisi Sagini and Victor Peace, they were here on the show. Okay, Sisi was here, but Victor was also behind the scenes. Like, hey, supporting the girl and everything else. So they finally had a traditional wedding of the weekend, and it was at Sisi Sagini's hometown. Yeah, they shared, they took to social media to share as well. Social media.
So that.
But
But she looked lovely in that Kikuyu attire.
She
She
did.
looks absolutely
She
stunning.
Pieces. That's what they
She
call
did.
them.
Congratulations.
So we wish you all the best, because then this means the next thing she's
Oh, there
walking
she
down
is.
the
Look at
aisle.
that.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Looks really,
So
really
it's,
good. Genuinely happy.
it's legit. If you're from here now, you can move in with your husband. We wait for the white wedding as well?
It depends. It depends. For some people, this is it for them. This is like the wedding
just
you're going to
move
get.
on.
It's actually legal. So you
Ah,
can.
yeah, by the way, it is.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, because both families have met.
But why put your
But
ratio on social
But you
media?
said you would put anything.
Anything.
Why are you going back on your word?
me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because she doesn't have a kamutu right now. When you get like a person, very fast.
No, come on. How many persons have I had?
Like in a
Maybe
jargon,
they weren't
meaning-
really important.
Let me
but when
teach
you
you a
find
lesson.
the one,
You know you'll not date a celebrity. You'll just put some guy there just
So
because,
you're dating a
Just
celebrity
just
now?
because you're tall, dark, and handsome. Let me tell you.
no, I'm actually into light-skinned men, but thank you.
Yeah, okay, whatever. Whatever. I'm saying,
Yeah.
Mini, I've dated known people.
Like,
Hello?
Hello.
And I've never put it on social media.
But you talk about it on air. So what's the difference?
Same thing.
I mean,
Yeah.
Where's the privacy?
Fred has a bigger platform than you do.
Anyway,
all
there's
know.
a
Never got on that.
celebration of love, and then again, there's the flip side to it. Carol Radul and
Ah,
the
yeah.
husbands.
Why is it
Now
like
that's-
it's sad news?
It is.
It is.
because it's
I'm
a celebration
actually-
of love. You don't want it to
Yes.
go down.
You don't.
But you say it with huyu anasema ni kama the next
amalize
time
kutuambia hiyo
no,
story
she's
hata.
saying like the next minute she's going to say a moment of silence. Just
Hapana. Let me tell you one thing. When
Okay.
I love for real. Like, I love a celebration of love. I love even friendship.
Okay, all right. It's
you love
okay.
love.
It's
I
okay.
love love.
All
So
right.
when you
It's
hear about
beautiful.
the flip side,
So do you want to
it,
finish
then
this
it's
story
something.
for us?
Anyway, so 2 weeks ago it was just a speculation, but now it's for real. The parted ways. So yeah.
But you see,
How
that's
sad
what,
is that?
that's
Wow.
what we were talking about a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
I feel like sometimes social media makes it a jinx. I don't know. Like, low key at all times. Of course I feel bad for them. It's sad. No one, and you never know what they were dealing with.
Yeah.
But behind closed doors, kila mtu na vita zake.
but everything that is put on social media goes wrong.
Sugar, listen, I think it's just because we know them, that's why it's news.
Yes.
How many people are divorcing that
Yeah,
you don't
true.
know about?
I know.
So it happens to anyone. Just because you're in the limelight doesn't mean that you're safe from it. So it could happen to anyone.
just a normal
And just
person.
because you're here, that's why tunakufuata hivi social media tujue kama.
But kuna
Unajua kwanza tunaona kuna venye.
a ring over there.
But on the flip side, Carol, welcome to the Single Ladies Club.
Who said she is single?
Welcome back.
Who said she is?
If they decide to like work
probably
with,
she's moving on
Who made
to.
you a single ladies ambassador, Kate?
I would. Let's enjoy the time now.
You guys realize that most celebrities, when they put their relationships on social media, they don't go for long.
Too
Aye,
much, too much.
JC and when la 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 la.
I think that's why we're sitting together.
Did you hear that? Okay, go on.
JC?
No, moving on.
Anyway, moving on. Omarion is coming to Kenya. Okay, ladies, this is where we go. No?
No,
I'm the only fan?
no.
Yeah.
I think it happened for me in my teenage years.
Yeah.
I'm done.
But don't now.
I'm
Anyway,
done.
yeah,
I think
okay. He
I'm
used to
done,
be cute.
yeah.
He used to be cuter when he was
Used-
younger.
yeah, used
it's
to
a
be.
festival known as Afro. Afro.
Hey, Leo, Leo.
Afro Pop Festival.
It's okay.
That's going down 3rd of June at Gong Racecourse. So it's going to be headlining that event.
What?
How beautiful is that?
What do you have to
I'm
say?
excited because of his current track.
She doesn't
Omarion,
look so
and
excited.
Which camera should I look at?
I
Omarion.
think this
Omarion, this is a message to you from Kenya. I am
No,
practicing
no, from Kate,
my
from
da-
Kate,
from
from
Kate,
Kate.
from Kate, Kate and Kenya, because I know the girls are ready. I am ready to dance with you. Yes. Dance between.
Oh
my
yeah,
God.
okay. Yeah.
the one.
And he said, no, but
It's
he
the one.
says, there's a line he says, I like my women like I like my chicken.
Yes,
distance.
yes. There's a line there. That's the
When is
line.
And he
Coming?
shot it in a say.
3rd June.
That June.
Yeah.
Yeah, that June. On 10th of June, the same month,
Yes.
It's your birthday.
Burning Spear.
Oh.
Make it tweets,
I would
make
have
it
asked
tweets.
my gun.
No, Burning Spear, where roots.
I don't know.
Okay, fine. Moving on.
We can.
Okay,
And
so I
Omarion,
think it's going to be
Omarion,
a very
VIP is
huge event.
10,000.
Yes.
What can I do with 10,000? 10,000 in Kenya.
As a social
Go
life.
watch
Yeah.
Omarion.
As a
Like,
social
I just pay 10,000 to go and watch that guy.
Yeah.
Me.
But I thought you have
guy,
money.
he is.
Socialites have money.
He's been nominated for the Grammys.
So?
Once in a while, I think so. He's
But
No,
he
a
was
long time
great.
ago.
he's a great artist.
No.
He is.
You
I
guys,
like
it's worth your
personally.
money for
It's
real.
not.
Yeah.
It's mad.
And
Tell me
you know
I
that
pay
guy does-
10,000 to watch Calligraph Jones. I will do that.
Okay,
Wait,
that's
wait,
that's
supporting
fair.
local
all right,
talent.
all right. I
Okay,
see where this
so
we could do
conversation is
that.
going.
So anyway,
Or I
we
pay
are
5,000
gonna
to
show
watch
up.
Juakali.
We're gonna show up. We're gonna dance because
90
he's a dancer. I think
Yes, he is a
has
dancer.
good, great moves.
I
Anyway,
know.
we're gonna have a blast. So, and finally, international news: Kim Kardashian is saying that she can't really trust close people because they've been investigating the Paris robbery, and she found out that people involved in it were close people. She's like, I can't really trust anyone right now. But anyway, don't you think some of these things, yeah? Because we were saying it's as a result of social media. Kate, for you, do you think it was really an inside person setup kind
You know, it's only
situation?
musema hivi. Wacha tata niseme kwa Kiswahili.
Tafadhali.
Mwizi akuji kuiba TV kama ajui kuna TV. No one comes to steal what they don't know is there. You have
That's a
to
good
know.
point, that's a good
So
point.
when they're coming and steal in her room, they knew what was in her room.
But don't you think it's because she
that's
also
right.
posted it? But she also posted it.
Ndani,
Yeah.
Kwa hivyo pia wewe mwizi umemwonyesha.
Umemwonyesha umeibiwa.
Umemwonyesha kuna zile
Na
kuna
pia kuna venye pengine najua ni wewe.
But wait, guys. Think about it this way.
Yes.
Sometimes, you know, you burn your house, you vunja your car, you steal your own things so that the insurance can pay
publicity
you.
also.
Publicity and insurance can pay you.
Hey.
All those jewels
See her life,
have,
oh.
no, all those, it's the lawyer
Keti
now
ume-
waking
Keti-
up.
Keti umetoka
It's a
wapi?
lawyer
East
waking up.
London, nini?
No. It's a lawyer waking up. You know, the insurance, the jewelers will pay you if the nini is lost.
True.
Don't be
Yeah.
returned. So, you know, I can tell you guys,
Fake it,
and then it could happen.
It's a crime report.
Think about
Yeah, you
it.
go all
Think
crazy
about it.
about
These
it.
people are all about the numbers.
It's true.
So
I
you never know.
I don't think
And the
wazungus
publicity
can do
as well.
that.
Anyway,
Sidhani wazungu wanawezafanya hivyo.
They can. Okay, maybe the
Just
publicity
because you
side
wanted to
too.
go to live in the States, now you're
I'm
going
just
to
saying,
defend them.
I think, if you ask me, only Kenyans can do that. Azungus, nah.
Wazungus, no.
No, they have some IQ level, which is...
Really?
that's
Which
all
will
we
make
had
them
on-
want to. What are you saying about us?
Yeah.
Tuko chini kidogo, you know.
Anyway, that's all we had on
That's
Catch Up
us,
News.
man. That's
Now
us.
let's find out about Kate.
Kate.
Let's talk
Oh,
about
God.
Kate.
I thought we were done.
No, we're not. No, we're not. How many years
Let's
have you been
just do
doing
radio.
radio?
It's going to be my third year.
It's going to be your third year. I'm sure you've had highs, lows, embarrassing moments. Let's talk about the embarrassing moment. What's the most embarrassing moment for you?
There's one time I mistakenly, you know, it happens.
Yeah.
I left the mic on and I was talking about a personal agenda. My producer rushed in and it's like, you know. And it happened. I was like, I wanted to go, so you do my hair. I was just saying my personal stories. And then I realized, oh my God, we are on air. And it happens a lot. Also, I think there's some artists who would come and just be not the best. I don't want to, you know, we're on TV, family show. I can't say some funny words. But not everyone is the most pleasant, you know, with you. So,
Yeah.
but you survive. It's work.
Well, what would you be doing? Okay, I know you already did law, but
Yeah.
then, like, what else? Do you ever plan into practicing?
Yes. It is a dream of mine. You see, the thing about law, it's education. You gain it every time. And with the kind of law I have in mind, it's called arbitration. I bet you know it. We instead of sitting in court, we're out of court dealing with cases. And I think that's the best way for me. And it's easier. I feel like that's what expresses my law and the kind of, you know, studying I have done for the while. Yes.
So you're gonna. So one day we're gonna be sitting here on Catch Up and saying how Kate left radio.
And then she's the
Would
in
you,
the court.
you could do
years.
the two of them.
Let me
Yeah,
ask
you
you a
can,
question.
by the way.
That many people who don't know radio, they keep asking.
Yes.
When the music that you play, especially when it's not requested,
Yes.
are you the one who decides, or your producer already wangame arrange the music to play?
That's the one thing even musicians disturb me about. Most of the time, it's producers and head of music. Because they already have a thought line of this is the kind of music we're going to play. So they already panga before.
Yeah.
So before you come to studio, the music is
Yes,
pangwad.
we could change with time because of time as well, and also the mood or whatever I'm talking about. But they're the ones who make decisions. Of course, I input, I say what I want sometimes, but they're because unaona hata amepewa jina head of music.
Yeah.
Ndio kazi yake.
So that's the work. So low, radio, you love music.
Yes.
What would you be if you not those two things that you've already you know started on with your life?
I'd be a chef. If
Whoa.
I love cooking. But then
Okay.
I don't want to wash the dishes.
We have a kitchen. We have a kitchen here.
Yes, we do.
So we're
So,
gonna
yeah,
buy
throw
some
down.
ingredients.
Throw down.
So we're gonna prove it for you guys. Then
I'll
we're gonna
cook you
give feedback.
breakfast.
After the show, after
after the
10.
show.
We're not going
So
anywhere.
we are celebrating women today.
No,
Who's that woman you're celebrating in your life?
Let me celebrate my mother and my grandmother. And especially my grandmother, my late grandmother who passed away like last year. She was 96. When you tell everyone, they're like, what? We're like waiting 4 years for her to get to 100. I celebrate them because I feel like they're the strongest women I have seen. In adversities of life, they have come above and beyond. And you know, those days, education was not available. But still, they made it work. And I celebrate them. They're amazing women.
Great. That's
So,
really nice. So,
iko mtu ama namna gani?
kusikia akisema yeye ni ambassador.
Well,
Anaweza kuwa pia.
Okay, tuambie.
Yeah, tuambie tu.
Well,
That cooking, you cannot cook for yourself.
Were you bought for the ring, or did you buy the ring because you knew you're coming to Life and Style this morning?
no, I actually just wear this. I'm not engaged yet.
But
I'm hoping to.
Oh, so there's someone.
Yeah.
Yes, we're happy. We're happy.
Juice.
We are lovers of love, right?
Tunapenda hao watu wanatuambianga
We are happy.
All right.
lovers
So
of
we're
love.
hopeful.
We're hopeful and happy.
Okay, so that's basically what and we're happy to know who you're celebrating today because
Yes.
we are all about women today.
Oh my God,
And
yeah.
if you need to, well, if you are celebrating any women out there, you can tell us all about that on our social media platforms. That's KTN Life and Style on Facebook, KTN Life _ Style on Twitter and Instagram. SMS is 22840. What women are you celebrating today and why? For you to win tickets, Aisha, tuko na nini? Hapo
Tuko
naona
na tickets kutoka Anga tunapeana to 10 lucky winners today. And what do you have, Mikali?
Me, I have City Walk. City Walk. We're looking for 3 winners, and each is getting a voucher. What the 5K?
All right.
How's
So
that?
keep tweeting. Remember to use the hashtag. That's where the drill is, yeah? Hashtag KTN Life and Style.
Tafadhali ukitumia hashtag zingine kuna venye utabaki nje. Now today, being about women, we've got dancers in the building. We've got
Right.
Mukatiko.
Is it me?
Mukatiko.
I know the dancer here.
No, leo tumekuweka bench. So we've got ladies here who look absolutely stunning. Maybe they should join us on set.
The
Kindly.
neon colors.
And well, they look absolutely gorgeous. Look at that.
Nice.